Are you wondering why did not you get through the interview even you answered all the questions correctly? Are you thinking that your profile matched exactly what hiring manager was looking for, still you didn't get through? According to the experts, interviews are much more than these things. To know more, let's dive into today's video. Before we proceed further, let me please remind you to subscribe below and enable the bell notifications so that you don't miss out on any latest updates on this channel. You can also follow me on my social media pages and you can also join different groups. All the links are given in the description below. Hiring managers judge you based on the most desirable as well as least desirable skills across the industries. According to a survey done by CNBC, personality carries the 70% weightage for the decision making to hire a candidate or not. Personality is not about your looks. It is about your confidence. It is about how you carry yourself. It is about how you behave in the interview. It is about how authentic and how honest you are. So, these are the points you have to keep in mind during the interview process. Let us talk about the very first point which was highlighted to be very important in the CNBC survey, that is confidence. You must enter in the room with the confidence. Meet and greet all the interview panelists confidently and make sure to talk with confidence in the room. Self belief is one of the key points to boost the confidence. Never go with the mindset that you can't make it. Mention some positive changes or results that you have brought in your current organization, because giving such examples boosts your confidence automatically. Next point is authenticity. Are you really showing who you are? According to the experts, bragging is definitely crucial in the interview, but to an extent. You can definitely brag in an interview, but up to certain limits. Don't try to pretend to be someone else in the interview, because most likely interviewer is going to catch you based on your answers to the follow-up questions. If you are bragging or pretending to be someone else during the interview. One tip I can tell you here is that try to be in line with your CV, what you have written in your CV. It will really help you to sound genuine. Next point is honesty. It is really critical in the interview to be honest. While answering the questions, put forward the examples and experiences you have went through in your current employment or past employment, which are really genuine, which are honest, and he will show more curiosity to ask you the details about your experiences and examples so that he can judge you better, he can know you better, and decide whether you match what he's looking for or not. Reliability. It is another key point which came forward in the survey. Punctual, proactive, committed, truthful, game changer. These are the traits which reflect your reliability. So, when answering the questions from the interview, talk about numbers, talk about profit increases, talk about revenue growth, talk about money, talk about processes. These are the examples which show that you are a reliable person, you can bring in the change in the organization. These are the key elements which help the interviewer to decide if you are capable to solve these problems what employer is going through. When you mention these things in the interview, you will definitely sound genuine and you will definitely sound reliable to the interviewer. Self discipline. Practice what you preach. In your answer to the questions from the interviewer, it should be reflected. You practice whatever you say day in, day out while you are working in the office. You must highlight directly or indirectly that you will do whatever it takes to deliver what you have committed to. You must show that you will put your best efforts, you will put your best team to deliver to your commitment. Answering all the questions with examples to justify that you carry the most desirable skill set, and having some of those examples in your CV gives the impression to the interviewer that you know your job. Let us now talk about the least desirable skills from the CNBC survey. These are arrogance, dishonesty, entitlement, unreliable, and close-mindedness. Let's talk about these in detail. Arrogance. Employer is not looking for someone who cuts through others to make his viewpoint more important. So you really have to be careful in answering interviewers' question. Dishonesty. You have to make sure to perceive to the interview that you walk the talk. What it means? You do exactly what you say in your commitments and you follow your commitments to achieve the results. Entitlement. You must not be the person who runs to take the credits of others. So you really have to be careful to not give this kind of impression. Unreliability. I have already discussed how you can justify your reliability. So if you follow those approaches, then it is automatically perceived that you are not unreliable person. Close-mindedness. To make sure that you don't leave this kind of impression on the employer, you must speak in a way that you are a person who is open-minded, nurtures the team, who is flexible, open for new ideas and view, and you really want the team grow along with you and along with the company. That's all in today's video. Make sure to subscribe below, give a thumbs up and share the video. Have a good day.